And this one is dedicated to a special someone. I will not say who because I'm just not like that. But this, hopefully, this special someone knows who he or she is. Like I said, I won't say no names, but just know that this person needs prayer. So, unspoken prayer request, and that's all I'm going to say. But this one is for my dear special friend, and I hope they enjoy it if they are able to watch the replay. So, here we go, guys. And anybody, and this is for anybody else that might need it as well. All right, here we go, guys. Somebody said